How to fix message notification sound on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and check the silent or the ring switch on the left side of your iPhone. If you see orange, then the silent mode is on, so flip it up so orange is not visible, and by this your phone will be in ringer mode. The next fix is open settings and tap on sounds and haptics. Here, under the ringtone and alerts tab, move the slider up to its fullest and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for change with sounds. The next fix for this issue is in settings again, tap on the focus option and then go ahead and turn off all focus modes. Further, go ahead and tap on each focus and then tap on the apps option there and make sure messages is allowed, and if not, then tap on the plus icon you see there and then select the message option and then tap on done. Also, make sure to toggle on the toggle button for time sensitive notifications. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in settings again tap on the notifications option and then navigate to messages. Here, make sure the toggle button for allow notifications is toggled on, and if not, then toggle it on. Further, tap on the sounds option you see there and then go ahead and choose a tone and make sure it is not set to none. Further, go ahead and toggle off the critical alerts toggle button unless it's required. The next fix for this issue is open the Messages application on your device and then open a conversation. Here, tap on the contact name on top of your screen and you will see the option for hide alerts. So make sure the hide alerts toggle button is toggled off. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and tap on sounds and haptics. Here, tap on the text tone option and make sure a sound is selected and it is not set to none. And the next fix for this issue is you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in fixing majority of minor glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is still not fixed, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then tap on software update. Make sure your iPhone is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update your iPhone, as software bugs can affect notification sounds. And the last fix for this issue is in settings again, tap on general and then on transfer or reset iPhone. Now, tap on reset and then on reset all settings. Now go ahead and enter your passcode and reset all settings, as doing this will fix system sound glitches, and do not worry, as your data will not be erased. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix notification sound on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.